everyone, welcome back to Sana Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi reality TV show, and currently guys sibuka ke izingane zesithembu, and bese ngazuthi ke hayi cha kule season impela idrama ke ikhona. Thema ngabe nje kuqala ke the first episode kwavela ukuthi ke njengoba sazizwile ukuthi ke uLwandle ukhulelisile intokazi ke yakwaMazibuko, so isikhona ke ingane, but angazi guys or it's a storyline or it's what ukuthi baveza ukuthi ke ama result athe 0 ingane ke akusiyona ke ekalwandle, but according to uma wengane she believe ukuthi ingane ekalwandle, and nolwandle seems not bothered by ukuthi ke ama result ke athini. Wathi ucanga ukuthi ngoba ingane isencane so bazophinde benze ke amanye ama result. For me I think this was just nje amanga kahle kahle ingane ekalwandle, and look at bekwenza ka 0% bebekwenza nje ukuthi yabo sibe glued kwi show njengoba ke iqala. I don't think guys ukuthi ingane mangabe ke ilokhu nje ama test ithathu sasencane kakhulu angaphuma ke engalikhulumi ke iqiniso. So I just think it's one of those, you know, those storyline, those catfishing yokuthi ke silokhu silandelela ishow sifuna ukwazi ukwenzekalani, sibe nento futhi sizokhuluma ngayo. Kuba sengazi ukuthi ke ufikile ke uKamazibuko laphayana, and ngazi ukuthi ke she is the queen of the show. Mangabe uchecka ke ama comment lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana bosa ngathi abantu bayamthanda kakhulu, bathi ke she will shake izinto up, and ke uzuka phaphamise kancane nolwandle njengoba nimbona kazi ukuthi uLwandle ingane kama uyamuzwa noma ekhuluma ukuthi mangabe ngasiyo ingane kama ngizoba yini, abayibabuza ukuthi alright mara alright, is everything okay with uLwandle. But ke kwasengazi ukuthi ke unkosazane lo uzomkhipha ke umnqantula lo olapha phansi kolimi. And ke guys kuyavela futhi ukuthi ke ngazi ukuthi nezingane ke zakubuke kwaLwandle azimthandisisi usisi ke azimthandisisi usisi. Kule episode ezodlala nje kuyavela ukuthi ke bezobehleli lapha etafuleni, and ke uSibindi will speak ill about uKamazibuko, and ukhombisa ke uLwandle ukuthi he must man up ngoba babona sengazi ukuthi ke inkosazana le izomcontroller, and ngampela kuyayibona ukuthi ke she have a very strong character. Angeke nje ukuthi baze badlale ngoLwandle phambi kwakhe, angeke futhi aze ayimele ukuthi uLwandle lokho emtshela ke ngomacele this macele that. On that episode futhi guys odlala next week yavela ukuthi ke uLwandle ubuze ingane kaSne ukuthi ke konje eyakwabani, useyayazi ukuthi eyakabani. uSne wambuza ukuthi wena yakho ke ihamba kanjani indaba yayo DNA test ihamba kanjani. So nje guys there is a drama between the Mseleku kids and ugirlfriend ke kaLwandle. So yeah guys, we're looking forward to see how this whole thing will unfold. Yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying the show so far. Just comment below ukuthi ke wena expecte ini more laphana ke kwizingane zesithembu. Ucabanga ukuthi ke inkosazana le uma wengane kaLwandle imlungele uLwandle, noma ucabanga ukuthi uLwandle kumele athole ke omunye umuntu wesifazane? Bye.